Hi YouTubers, I know it's been a minute, but I just wanted to give an update on my alopecia from start to
Okay, so
finish.
I am completely starting over. As you can see, I am bald, bald, bald. I shaved my head. I am looking at my scalp.
So at the end of February 2018, I decided to shave my head completely bald. I was getting very frustrated with my hair. I was having a lot of itching and soreness in my scalp. I have to take accountability. I do notice that when my diet is not healthy, I have the itchiness and the soreness in my scalp. But when I'm relatively trying to eat healthy, that itchiness and soreness does calm down. But at the end of February 2018, before I started realizing that, I got very fed up and I ended up shaving my head bald, going to the dermatologist again to get tested. They actually did a biopsy of my scalp, and I learned that I have scarring alopecia, which is the worst type of alopecia to have because once those follicles die out, they are gone and that hair is not coming back. So, at this moment, I wanted to try to take care of my scalp as much as possible and just learn things that I can do to help slow down the process of the scarring alopecia. Um, it's been a long journey, but I just wanted to document that journey. And I've just been gathering up different videos and pictures from my iPhone to um, make this video to document my journey from 2018 to now. I typically find that my hair tends to grow, but as you can see in this video clip here, I still have some spaced out spots. It doesn't take long for it to grow in length, but as far as density, it is not as thick as it once was. Um, I notice the whole alopecia and having bald spots in my head after I had my second child, and it comes and goes. As I stated before, if my diet is not that bad, then my hair is pretty good. But if my diet is bad, then I notice that I have a lot of shedding and a lot of space in my scalp due to hair being very thin in certain areas. But as of, in this clip right here, my scalp doesn't look too bad. There is spacing, but it is not as bad as in previous years. So, so at the 5 month mark, this is me in New York at the Curl Fest. Here again, hair is growing good in length, but my part is still looking wide. I want to say this right here is probably at the 8 month mark. I was able to do my hair, no problems. And here again, around the 8th month mark. So you see that I've grown my hair up to my Now I
collarbone.
have started
And
the
then here,
keto, and once I've started the
that picture
keto,
went
I've
by
noticed a
fast.
dramatic change in my head for the better. Um, so it started becoming a
Thicker.
ex- doing the keto has helped my hair tremendously. Around the year mark, I started wearing my hair in the spring twist, which is very light and easy on the head. But as you can see, there I still experience that spaciness But overall, I believe that this was a very good protective hairstyle because I'm able to do it very, very light and not cause so much tension on my scalp. But overall, doing the keto lifestyle and eating healthy, you can see that that scalpiness looks like it was going away. So this is past a year and my hair is just flourishing and my hair is looking great. But I cannot say that I am the best at my diet, which I am still working on. But I am just grateful and glad to see how much progress my hair has done from shaving it bald in 2018 to 2019 in this picture that you are seeing, and how it is doing very well right now. And I just want to continue to just try to eat healthy and take care of my hair and just watch it flourish and go and grow. Um, Hopefully, I can get the thickness back at the top of my hair. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but once I took the camera to the top, you can see a little bit of my scalp. So I don't know. I just really want to get my hair really thick and full in density like it once was before I started experiencing problems with alopecia. So I'm still learning and just trying to get to that mark. But just wanted to document my 2 year experience from finding out that I had scarring alopecia, from shaving my scalp bald till where we are right now. Again, this video was from 2019. Um, at the end of 2019, I did start wearing clip-ins, which I love a lot because you can really get the hair to blend into yours and it's easy on the scalp. Well, I'm going to continue to document just to see how progress is growing. Again, this clip right here is from 2020, the beginning of 2020. I just periodically video the way my hair looks after taking it out of its protective style just to see how my scalp is looking. It is after the holidays, so I'm noticing some thinning, and I have noticed during the holidays that my scalp was itchy and irritated. So I'm definitely going to go back on the keto because once I started the keto, I noticed that all that itchy and soreness stopped. And I think it's because the sugar is not something about sugar, and I'm trying to think of the word with the I'm just trying to think of the word, but I can't think of the word right now. Sorry. But but yeah, I'm just gonna I will post more videos that list what I'm doing currently to try to have a healthy hair journey and to try to get my hair to grow back as thick and full and be at its optimal level. I know that I probably won't have the hair that I used to have, but if I could just slow down the process of the alopecia, especially the scarring alopecia, then I everything would be fine with me. So, thank you guys for lasting this long through this video. I'm sorry that I have a bunch of ums and just thinking everything through as I speak. I am new to YouTube, but thank you guys for watching, and I just wanted to just update my experience and share because I know that there might be other people that are going through the same problems that I'm going through and just learn from each other. But other than that, you guys, if you like, please subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment. And other than that, you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.